Welcome back to Kim's Creations. I am going to do a 3D bloom, and this bloom is inspired by Julie Cutts. It's one that I recently saw of hers, but it's a really old video. So what I'm going to do is I have mixed up 5 ounces of resin, and I have decanted 1 ounce, fluid ounce, into this little cup. I am going to use Julie's awesome bloom paste. And for 30 ounces, I should use 1 drop. So it's 1 drop per 10 milliliters. 30 milliliters is 1 ounce, so 3 drops. All right, I shook it up. I'm just going to open it and get 3 little drops in here. So I'm just gonna stir that up. Now, I'm just gonna kind of stir it up. Now the rest of this, I am actually gonna mix into here this little piggy in Brûlée. And it is a, like a goldy, creamy, you know, like brulee, like a creme brulee. I'm gonna use, I don't know, 5 ounces. I'll use the end of my stick here. It's got this beautiful, like, coppery shift to it, coppery gold shift. And I just want to lightly color this resin. The cool thing about the TLPs, this little piggy, is that they can work in acrylic inks and resin. You don't have to get a different type of pigment powder to do your resins with. So I really like that. That's a nice, pretty shift there. All right, I'm gonna take this out. All right, I am going to pour this in here. Look at that beautiful color. The resin that I'm using is a 1-to-1 resin by Let's Resin. It's just basic resin. Mixed it up. I did not take its temperature. I just did it. Okay, I think that's mixed. Let me just clean off my stick so that we can get a true look. There you go. See, it's pretty transparent. All right, I have my little cup here. Torch again. All right, I'm gonna pour this. I have a piping bag at the ready. And I'll be getting my bloom on here in a minute. Hopefully, I'll be getting the bloom on. And this should look pretty darn cool. Let's get this ready to roll. I'm just taking the bag and winding this up nice and tightly because I don't want any of that to kind of come back at me. Let's see how we're doing here. Going to cut the tip of my bag off. Let's see. So this is just kind of falling out of there. Okay, I'm going to do petals, I guess. Let's do petals. Oh, I wasn't gonna do petals. Darn it, too late now. I mean, I was gonna do petals, but not this way. Okay, do I need any more? Thought those ones might be a little big. I think. Okay, I think I'm good. That's it. I'm gonna grab my little stick and smooth out blobbies. All right, I'm gonna leave it. So there she is. Welcome back. It's the next day. Let's see what happened. Can you see that reddy, browny, goldy flash in there? Let's see. All right. Pretty, I can see through it quite a bit. So let's see. Oh, wow. That is quite interesting. Huh. That ring light. That is really wild. I'm definitely gonna have to go again with that. That's weird though. It didn't really, I mean, it kind of went more Larimar on this with the petals coming out this way and then these puffy bits on the center. That is crazy. Interesting. All right, onwards and upwards, more experimentation.